Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. Well, we are creating a regular sectoral indices, and in case it is benefiting you, I request do comment into the comment section below and do not forget to click onto the like button if you think that our videos are helping out. Coming on to the today's video, well, we are just 1.5 months away from the year end 2021, and it has been a fantastic year for an equity traders, for an equity investors. Since the lows of 2020, we have seen markets being more than from the lows more than double, and most of the stocks have even seen 5x, 7x. Well, in this video, I'll be discussing one sector which is widely traded, or one index which is widely traded, is called Bank Nifty. Just around 1.5 months to go, and nearly a month to go for a Christmas. What I believe that Bank Nifty could do. Well, if you look at the last week, we took support right around 38,000 levels. We made a low of somewhere at 38,300 and came back very, very strongly. So if you look at the momentum over here, look at the first chart over here. This is a weekly chart. And if you look at the rising trend line right from the lows on the weekly scale, it has been holding strong. So we are forming higher and higher low structure for quite long now. And this is not a short-term trend line. We are witnessing this trend line right from the lows of April, which is nearly 7 months now. And it has been held very, very strongly. Second, which I track, and it's slightly uncommon technical moving average, which is 18 weekly moving average. Why 18? Because on the Bank Nifty weekly scale, 18 plays a key important role. Every time markets hover around those for a quick time, and that's generally the trends emerges. So 18 for me has been very, very crucial on Bank Nifty, especially on a weekly scale, and it plays a very, very key important role, which is slightly around 37,500 levels now. So with the trend line around 38,000, 18 exponential moving at 37,500, I believe these two levels will be very, very crucial for trend change level for Bank Nifty. Keeping the top down approach, I move slightly on a low time frame into the daily scale. So now if you look at the daily scale over here, again the rising trend line, the similar which we saw on weekly, I have plotted on daily. Plus if you look at the two horizontal lines on the higher levels, index is taking which broke around 38,500, 400, 500 levels, is been retested now. We made somewhere 38,300 lows, coming back very, very strongly, taking those support level, which is very, very important. When the retest happens, it offers a superb risk reward ratio to the bulls or even bears if there are a short retest. Now 50 exponential moving average on a daily scale is also being tested now. Index took support at 50 week daily exponential average as well over here. So now with the support retest and 50 exponential moving average coincides at the same level, markets are taking support, indicates that bulls are very, very strong. And the recent correction of around 41,800 to now 38,000, 38,300, which is somewhere around 8.5%, seems to be taking a pause now, and we might see a resumption in momentum. We checked the RSI as well. So if you look at the RSI, which I have spotted on the same chart, RSI is basically the strength or stamina. When now being a trending into a good higher low structure on the price scale, RSI has been taking support at 40, which is basically known as the bulls entry into the bullish trend. Again 41, 42 was the lows in the last week, and markets now trending, turning the slope on RSI on the positive side again. So it indicates that we are still into the bullish trend, and I believe till 38,000 or 37,500, which is the 18 weekly exponential moving average, are held very, very strongly. We might end the year above 40,000 levels, and that could be the most important trending where we are going into the 2022, and 40,000 will I believe that probably in Jan or Feb we might see a new all-time high on Bank Nifty as well. So I won't be surprised if the 41,800 levels being surpassed in probably 2 to 3 months time. Till 37,500, 38,000 are being held. Bank Nifty continue to remain a strong bulls contender for the newer highs. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.
Our new research uncovers some shocking truths behind today's hottest investment opportunity, electric vehicles. Don't invest your money in EV stocks before seeing our research. Click here to sign up for our special event to know it all for free.